Good day and hope you are well. Welcome you fans of machines of flight and general visual creativity. I present to you the Hover Wing and the Hobby Wing concept UAVs, and I will later show some of my other aircraft designs and a couple of the designs I have sold. First, we have the Hover Wing. It is on your screen right now. It is model named the Butterfly. It is a propeller-driven VTOL UAV designed for mid-distance flight and built for the intermediate to advanced pilot, mainly in the hobby space. It can be powered from a 4S up to a 6S LiPo battery pack, and the visuals that are approaching in the slides will better explain the concept. Primarily, it is driven by 4 propellers while in VTOL and 2 counter-rotating propeller while it is in stable forward flight. What makes this aircraft unique when built is although it has a 6-foot wingspan, the wings are foldable, exposing its landing gear, and in its folded position is only a meter across or a little over 3 feet and can be stored away in any shoe closet. Namely, the benefits of this type of aircraft is that it has the ability of a low powered flight, since the majority of its lift comes from its body and its extended wings. Thus, it has a decent range for the power to which it actually uses to cover that distance. The moving vanes while in hover act both as flaps and directional thrust vanes. This gives the aircraft stability while in mid-air and also allows it to do maneuvers much more simply than if it was being solely controlled by the directions and the RPMs of the props. Later on we'll move into the simpler Hobby Wing, but for now enjoy the preview of this larger model. Onward to the Hobby Wing. It's a 3-foot wingspan foam core RC airplane. Its main feature is for fun. It is built for the beginner up to the advanced user, and it also bears a configurable feature fairly unique to the hobby space. It can be attached atop of the Hover Wing, and this makes it possible to be stored in a small space, as both aircrafts will require much more area if they were stored separately. Also, due to the nature that these are both ducted propeller aircrafts, they do facilitate sufficient thrust in order to fly, as both can be in flight one atop the other. However, due to the weight of the Hobby Wing, the Hover Wing may have to be launched into the air. The Hover Wing, however, still holds a capacity of up to 1 kilogram of cargo, and this feature further enhances its appeal. As we continue down the slides, we will be showing you more of my aircraft designs, and in the final and finish you will see how these aircrafts would look in the natural environment. Enjoy the video and please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. I am back. If you're still here, you'd like to be here until the end, the best is yet to come. Up now, I have a few designs of aircraft I have done in the past. First one being what I call the Star Beetle. It's a racing hexacopter. It's meant to go up against those racing quads, and it being a hexacopter, it should outperform. The second is an aircraft based off of a ring wing design. It is propelled by a 50mm EDF, and it is suspected. Now, the other two are two items which I have sold in the past. First being a lighter, and the second being a UAV which I was commissioned to design. Going down the line, there is an aircraft model here that I did a few years back, and it's off of this aircraft design that these RC models were built up, the Hobbywing and the Hoverwing amongst others. I thank you for your time, and if you have any suggestions about what you have seen here today, or if you'd like to support me, I'll leave a post items on 3D Export, and if you would like to support my channel, I will leave the links down below to which you can do so. And if you have any queries, or if you have any specific interest you want to reach out to me through, you can reach out to me through my email. I will also be posted in the link. Again, thank you, and until my next posting, Ariel Sparks out.